Calculations of final velocities v1 and v2 of elastic collision case. Dear student, in our previous video we have just find out that coefficient of restitution is equal to 1. So when we were discussing about the elastic collision in one dimension, we have reached to this equation that v2 minus v1 is equal to u1 minus u2. Now we need to find out v2 and v1. So suppose firstly we want to find out v1, so we will eliminate v2. So from that v2 is equal to v1 plus u1 minus u2, right? Now in this case we know the equation of linear momentum, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Writing this to that side or like this, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So putting the value of v2 from here in this equation, m1 v1 plus m2, this is v1 plus u1 minus u2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now simplifying it, m1 v1 plus m2 v1 plus m2 u1 minus m2 u2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Okay, now taking the terms v1 collectively, u1 collectively, so we'll write m1 v1 and here it is m1 u1, so we are taking it m1 v1 minus m2 m1 u1. Okay, we need to find out v1 first. So in that case, from this v1 will be taken out. Okay, so v1 will be taken out, we'll get m1 plus m2, and from there this is u1 taken out, so this is m2 u1, this term will be taken that side, minus m1 u1, okay, and that minus sign is taken to that side, this is 2m2 u2, right? So again we get that v1 m1 plus m2, okay, this term is taken to that side, so negative sign will come, so minus of m2 u1 minus of m1 u1 plus 2m2 u2. So again v1, this is m1 plus m2, taking sign that we'll take m1 first and m2 at the back. So m1 become positive due to negative sign and m2 become negative, so m1 minus m2 u1 plus 2m2 u2. Now v1 can be calculated from this equation. Dividing both sides by m1 plus m2, will get m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 u2 divided by m1 plus m2. Hence the value of v1 is calculated. Similarly, we can get the value of v2 by putting the value of v1 in this expression. Okay, so we know that v2 is equal to v1 plus u1 minus u2. So putting the value of v1 is, what is v1? m1 minus m2. So v2 is equal to, v1 is m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into u1. Okay, so here it is m1 minus m2 upon m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 2m2 u2 plus 2m2 u2 divided by m1 plus m2, right? This is the value of v1, but these two terms are left, so we'll write here plus u1 minus u2. Now take the u1 and u1 terms collectively and u2 terms collectively. So this is m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is u1 plus 1, u1 taken outside, plus similarly 2m2 upon m1 plus m2, this is minus 1 and u2 taken common. So now solving it, this is m1 plus m2, this is m1 minus m2 plus m1 plus m2. Taking LCM, we will multiply this. This is u1 plus 2m2 minus, when we multiply this by 1, that will be minus m1 minus m2, and divided by m1 plus m2 into u2, right? So now this m2 will be cancelled out with this m2, and in this equation 2m2 minus m2 is plus m2. So rewriting it, this will become 2m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus, this will be m2 minus m1 minus m1 divided by m1 plus m2 into u2. So what is this? This is the expression for v2. Okay, this is the expression for v2, and just we have calculated the values of v1 and v2. In our next video we will study about the special cases for the elastic collision in one dimension.